What are you doing there, you beautiful thing? It's raining outside. You wanna come home? You wanna visit us? Celine, can we adopt her? Or him?
No, birds are meant to be free.
Okay. No, just for some time. You know.
That's actually one animal that I think is very wrong to own. I don't think anyone should have birds in cages.
I mean, who is animal? They or us?
Well, it doesn't really matter. What matters is who's in a cage.
That's the question. If we encage them?
But especially birds, you know? Like, it's just so sad. They're meant to fly. How can you put them in a cage? I've always thought that was one of the saddest. That and fish. Fish are meant to swim the entire ocean, and you're putting them in a tiny little aquarium. So sad.
Do you
Like-
think it's the time to take our shovel back home?
Maybe, but I'm not going outside.
I know you ain't. You ain't, girl. Okay.